Good morning from the Gridlife Festival Tour. We are here at Carolina Motorsports Park, and we're about to take our project Mk7 GTI out on track. So we've signed up for a day of HPDE with Gridlife, high performance driver education. We're going to be in the advanced group. There's no scoring here, there's no timers. Our only goal is to have fun and put track laps on our street car. Before we can go on track though, we have to do a couple more things to the car, so I'll meet you in the shop. Okay, we're back in the shop. We've got our Mk7 GTI in the bay here, and we're going to be working on it again, trying to get it ready for the track. So today we're going to fix the car's PCV system. Now, that's positive crankcase ventilation. It basically means the system that deals with the oil fumes from the inside of the engine. And our car has a problem. It's fine on the street, but on track, it's currently burning oil and making big oil clouds, which is almost getting us black flagged and definitely annoying having to keep putting more oil in the car. So we're going to go ahead and install about a $700 034 Motorsport Stage 2 PCV system upgrade, catch can, a couple different parts designed to make these cars' oiling systems sturdier for track use, basically. So these cars are known for having oil burning issues on track. There's a factory air oil separator built into the valve cover that then goes to the intake track, and it has a tendency to allow just raw oil to go right over the little baffle and into the intake. Now, why don't we want oil going into the intake of our car? Couple reasons. First of all, it uses up all the oil in the car, which is not great. So we would like to keep more of the oil back in the crankcase where it belongs. The second issue is this is a direct injected car and it already has issues with dirty valves and carbon buildup. We don't want to put even more contaminants through the intake tract like the oil we're burning. So in theory, the 034 Motorsport kit will prevent more oil from leaving the engine and catch what oil does leave the engine, making a cleaner intake air charge. Okay, so the first step to install the catch can doesn't actually have anything to do with the catch can. We have to replace the PCV valve. So on a stock GTI, it's this giant hunk of plastic on top of the valve cover here. So we're going to replace it with this really, really nice hunk of billet aluminum from 034. That is basically an upgraded PCV valve that should handle the stress of track use much better. So we're going to take some wiring out of the way, pull that factory piece out, bolt this down, and then go from there. Okay, it's about an hour later and our car has a new catch can. So we replaced the PCV valve, we added new hoses to the 034 Motorsport catch can, and we should be ready to go back to the track. So we're going to go to CMP, we're going to see how it does and how much oil we burn this time, and we'll go from there. Okay, we just came off track at CMP, and this is actually the first time we've been back to a racetrack since we changed the suspension, the brakes, and a couple other little things on our GTI. Now, is it faster? Absolutely. We'll go back to the firm soon and figure out exactly how much time we picked up, but we managed a 150 right off the trailer, or well, right off the highway actually here at CMP, and that's pretty darn respectable for a car on 340 treadwear tires. It was easy to drive, it was comfortable, it was neutral, plenty of power with that 034 tune, but there are still some things to fix. It cooks the brakes. We kind of saw that coming with the street-focused pad and without any additional brake ducting. And it's, it's still kind of soft and kind of heavy like a street car, especially a modern front-wheel drive, high-horsepower street car would be. So we have some things to work on. Overall though, pretty darn good compromise. We drove to dinner comfortably last night, and then we went and held our own in an HPDE session today. One other thing to note, the back of the car is clean. It used to always be covered in oil at the end of a track day. So we're gonna call that catch can installation a success, and we're pretty happy to not be getting oil all over our camping gears. We know all these modifications made the car fun on CMP, but we don't actually know how much faster they made it because our official test track is the Florida International Rally and Motorsport Park. So we're gonna drive home, then we're gonna go to the firm. You'll see that in the next video. Please make sure you like and subscribe.
Support brands who support grassroots motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. To learn more, visit crcindustries.com. Want to see more content like this? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And for more information, visit us online at grassrootsmotorsports.com.